bariiskeenina saas uu noogu soo baxay maasha allah. Sweet potatoes gaaseytana I'm boiling for my babygayga u boil garanaya. So basically what I do is I boil with water, biyo ku boil gareeya, and that's it. Blenderka ugu ridaa oo u shiidaa. Alhamdulillah. And smoothie gaaseyta that I'm making, actually I'm making for all of us, anakoo dhan family ahaan. Like babyga halkaasa ugu shubay maasha allah, and my toddler halkaasa asagana ugu shubay masaasadiisa. Asaga toddlerkayga masaasadaasuu ku cabaa maasha allah, halkaasa ugu shubay. Waa mahadsantihiin dhammaantiin, la socod wanaagsan muuqaal. Alhamdulillah. Now I'm at the mall. This is my favorite store, by the way. Express forever will be my favorite store in the whole wide world. Oh my god, I can't describe how much I love Express. So I was looking for like long dresses, and they really have like really good dresses that I liked. And I also like that some pants, and then oh my god, that gray shirt, oh my god, is so cute, mashallah. I really loved it. I was like, and then I came home, my husband made this beautiful food. He was like, I'm gonna cook for you, babe, and he cooked this for me, mashallah.